Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to be talking about how you can turn on dark mode in your iPhone. iPhone does not have the option to turn on dark mode officially, but in this video we will see the way by which you can turn on dark mode in your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to open settings, and then from settings you'll have to open general. Okay, then from here you'll have to open this accessibility, so you'll have to click here, and then from here you can see that there are many options, and what you will have to do is you'll have to click on this display accommodations. So click on this, and now from here you'll have to click on this invert colors. Okay, now as you can see that here are two options, smart invert and classic invert. So if we look at the smart invert, like you can see that smart invert colors reverses the colors of the display except for images, media and some apps that use dark color style. So what it will do is, like, it will reverse all the color of the display of your phone. Like if we enable this, okay, now as you can see that it's now in dark mode, and I can use my phone in dark mode, so it's great. Okay, now if I open the messages, like it's in dark mode. If I open Safari, it's in dark mode, and I can use my phone in dark mode without having dark mode officially in iPhone 6. I can use dark mode using this smart invert colors, using this smart invert technique. So that's how you can turn on dark mode in your iPhone 6 without having dark mode officially in your phone. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.